Excuse the camera position, but this will be my first attempt to wax my own eyebrows ever. Which means your girl be here, you're not watching BTV, because when I'm you watching, baby. Okay, so I got this GiGi all-purpose, multi-purpose, I can't read now. Okay, y'all, so it's a GiGi all-purpose honey wax kit. It came with all these cool things inside, pre-cleanser, something to take the wax off, like a cooling gel, I believe something to wash it, some wax strips, and some sticks. And I went ahead and I got all these extra stuff. Now, these right here, baby, put me through hell. Let's just say I didn't know how to use them. Yeah, this ain't cutting shit, so I'm gonna tweeze instead. Now let's just go ahead and get into it, y'all. So as you can see, I'm just cleaning my brows off with the pre-cleaner and brushing them up. You know, we gotta get the girls ready to be twinning. Now this right here, this was really some first time beginner BS, because what the, like, this got me feeling like I'm going through a cobweb. Like, get off me, get the fuck, get what the hell. You just gonna keep it going, moving on. So as y'all can see, I try to get this as straight as possible, and
seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
honestly, sis, I don't even know. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start on the other brow now. I don't know why I was doing this without no type of guidance, but guess what? We're doing it. We're here. Is no turning back. And wax. Okay, so at this point, I was like, okay, not too bad. So I went ahead and started on the top, and instantly just regretted life, y'all. Like, I don't know how I did this to my brows, but I mean, they did look better than how they was looking before.
Young Tarzan beat. Purchase your bees today.
Okay, girl. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean off the wax with the wax remover. Ew, that was not me. I think I might have to slip my brow because, as y'all can see, I gave myself a little dip right here. So I'll just slip my brow. I mean, it's like, it ain't bad. You got alcohol?
Yeah.
Can I have some, please?
I lied. Fat number.
That's how you know you from Broward.
Shorty, I am not from no Broward. I just got a Broward attitude. Shorty, I'm a BK ass nigga. 86 Marlboro ass nigga. Brooklyn ass nigga. In Marlboro projects. No, shit.
He just happy because his beard's starting to grow back. Fuck out of here! Face that nigga burned. How'd I do? Very bad. Very bad. But guess what? The girls are still kicked out, so. Well, ladies, thank you for watching. And, until next time. We out.